Hello, tick traders. Hello, tick traders. Um, Now, if you've been watching my video that I've been recording recently, you'll see that this money I'm growing it from $5. So this is from $5 now. It's 74 $4 now, and it's still growing. And the strategy I'm using is the same strategy I've been teaching you guys, recording the video on. So which I title Step Index Sniper Entry Strategy. Although I use Step Index because I started it with Step Index. Are you getting it now? When you are trading Step Index, Step Index is very sweet and it's very risky because when you put $1 lot size, assuming you put $1 lot size on Step Index, assuming you put $1 lot size on Step Index, are you getting it now? So if the price, if the market go in your direction by tick, by one tick you get $1, by two tick you get $2, by three ticks you get $3. The same thing if you are losing. Are you getting, like, the market go against you? Are you getting it now? If the market I think, let me use, okay, if the market go against you, are you getting it now? If it goes against you by one tick, you lose $1. If it goes against you by two tick, you lose $2. If it goes against you by three ticks, you lose $3. Are you getting it now? So that's the reason why Step Index is very good. But if you have sniper entry like this, there are some of you guys there that have money, $1,000, $2,000, and all this. This strategy is for you. Once you enter at the sniper entry, with that little movement, you can take enough profit and get out of the market. Leave the remaining one for the brokers. So no, but for some of you that doesn't have much uh account, maybe you have $10, $5, $10, 15, and so on. This strategy is also for you. As you can see, I grow this $5 capital is now 75. As you can see, it's still spiking down, can you see? Although I've taken most of the entry and I left one. I get it now. So remain one. So I want this one to keep growing. So I think that is enough. Let me just take this out. $75. So I'll wait for another opportunity. So, and I told you guys that when you launch your MetaTrader every day, the first thing you need to do is to go to, after you've done your settings, is to go to 1 hour. When you go to 1 hour, understand, you see that, okay, the setting can even show you the trend. Are you getting it now? Now if you look at this, we have moving average. If you are watching this strategy for the first time, check my previous videos. You will see the settings there, but don't worry, I'm going to show you the settings at the end of this program again. So because I've been recording the videos and I've not been showing the settings, because I want you guys to really follow all the videos so that you can you can you can you can sorry, borrow me English, so that you can become expert using this strategy. Understand? Don't just assume. Don't just get it. Watch the video. Understand the in and out. If you have any question, send me comments. Understand? Send me comment. If you want to talk to me one on one, no, there's no problem. Understand? You will see. I think some of my videos, you will see my contact details on WhatsApp, or just only WhatsApp. No calling. No, I won't accept any call. Understand? Because I'm a busy person. So, try to watch the video, practice it on demo first. Once you are confident about it, then put your real account. As you can see, I'm using my real account now. From $5, this is $75. Are you getting it now? And this is not built in a day. Understand? You know, you can grow your, if you are serious about it. Because me, I have some other things I'm doing. I'm a developer. I have some job I'm doing. So, like you, if you have time, you can start from morning to evening. Wait for that sniper entry, put it, and you can grow your this thing. Are you getting it now? In a day. Understand? So, or 2 days, like this one now. This is the day is the second day. Understand? Because I don't have time. So now, what you need to do is, on 1 hour time frame, go to 1 hour time frame. As you can see, we are on downtrend. the overall, this is a moving average 200. The overall is downtrend. Then the today started from here. This is, look at the line. Today started from here to here. You can see the line. So you see that today is downtrend. So today is good for cashing spike. Look at yesterday. Yesterday is what, uptrend, minor uptrend. So today is minor downtrend, is good for cashing spike. That is the first thing you need to know. That okay, today is selling. So we are cashing spike. So I'm using crash 500 as an example. So if you are using boom, vice versa. Now, we on our H1 now, you've seen that today is downtrend, minor downtrend. That one will give you we help you to decide that okay, today I'm cashing spike. Now let's go to, okay. Now the next thing you need to do is this. If you've been watching my video, I told you about this yellow line. Let me zoom out. This yellow line here is moving average. The black line you are seeing is the baby. Are you getting it now? So I wrap them together. Understand? Now, at each crossover is a level. So each crossover show us levels. Let me remove all this line. Now, here there's a crossover here. You put your line there on 1 hour time frame. Then this is the previous crossover. Just two is okay, or you can pick one more, making three. But it's okay. Let's just use these two on 1 hour. That is it. I get it now. Now you go to 5 minutes. I'm using five. You can use 15 minutes. Is okay, but 5 minutes is okay. So if you are using this sniper entry strategy on boom and crash, use 5 minutes. Don't use 1 minute. Use 5 minutes to check the market and to decide when to enter. Are you getting it now? So but you can use 1 minute for quick entry. Are you getting it now? You can use 1 minute for quick entry. So now this is 5 minutes. Now look at it. Assuming here we are on 5 minutes and the market is here. I think I started from here. Are you getting that? The market is here. So immediately this candle spike down below. Are you getting it now? Here. Are you getting it now? You should get ready, because at that point the yellow line will have crossed down. The MACD here, the blue line will have crossed below the red line on MACD, and the Ishimoku will have turned from green to red. That is a sell signal. Are you getting now? The same thing I'm showing here, the same thing I recorded on step index volatility 100. But for other markets, you can use 1 minute if you want to cash more of the entry. But 5 minutes will be more. The higher the time frame, the accuracy it is. Are you getting it now? So on 5 minutes is much better. Now this is it. Understand? Now when you enter here, are you getting it now? Now let's go to 1 minute. I'm going to put a line here. Okay, let's put a line. Let's put a line. Let's put a line here. Let's put a line here. I'm going to change the color of the line so that it will not have the same color with the one we put on 1 hour. Let me put blue. Okay, blue line. Let's go to 1 minute. Are you getting it now? Now look at it here. Can you see that on 1 minute we put it here? On 1 minute, the market has already crossed down, has already spiked down. I get it. Started retracing and it keeps spiking down. So that's the reason why I said when you see the settings, I getting it as about to cross down on 5 minutes. You can go to 1 minute and see if it has already crossed down. So you can enter early. I getting that when you enter early here, fine. Or on 5 minutes you enter just where we put the line is okay. I get it. And look at that profit. Look at that profit. I get it now on 5 minutes. When you go to 1 minute, this is massive. Are you getting it now? Look at that profit. So now here the market reverse up, and I told you that when you see the market going up, understand, and that is where 1 minute comes in. Are you getting that? When you are cashing spike, you are trading boom and crash. When you see the market going up, time to time check 1 minute and see what is happening. Are you getting it? At this point now, you see, at this point you see that even before this yellow line cross above black line upward, it has already crossed, it has already been crossed here. Are you getting it now? It has already crossed here. So what you will just do is this: you wait for it to spike down below it again. Once it spike down below it again like this, understand, then you can what, keep cashing this. But that's what I did. I just cashed this spike from here downward. Are you getting it now? Now the same thing with this one. It spikes down again, you catch this small spikes here. And if you look at it from here, understand, it starts spiking from here. So you can go to 1 minute and cash it early there. Let me just put a line here. Oh, okay. Let's put a line. Let me bring this line here. Are you getting me now? Let's go to 1 minute. You see on 1 minute, you see it here. This is it. This is it. And you can even use that moving number 200. You see that immediately the price touches that moving number 200, it spikes down. So you can use moving number 200 as a resistance. Are you getting now? So everything I'm explaining to you guys here on crash 500, the vice versa if you are, if you want to scalp, and the vice versa if you are trading boom. Are you getting it now? So now you see it spikes down. So once this one this is a gap, once it gap down, are you getting it now? Then I expect you to what, to just enter your trade sell, because here everything will have changed. The yellow line will have crossed down, the magnet will have crossed down in 1 minute, and this will have crossed down. If you go to 5 minutes, see it's about to cross down, understand, but we are trying to what, to pick it early on 1 minute here, understand. So when you now go to 5 minutes, we go to 5 minutes here, you see that the one we enter early is the first spike, but the second one that confirm the entry on 5 minutes is the second spike here. Are you getting it now? Either of the way you enter, understand. But much more is much better when you enter on 5 minutes. So and that is the fresh. I mean that is the that is how to enter to cash spike. Are you getting it now? This is how to cash spike using step index sniper entry strategy. Are you getting it now? The same strategy we are using for step index for volatility, we use it for what, to cash to trade crash 500, and you can use it to trade crash you can use it to trade boom. We can use it to trade crash 300, crash 1000. Are you getting it now? You just have to wait. Are you getting it? And the good things about this is that even if you enter here, understand, you can put your stop loss just above the previous spike here. So if there's no spike again, then you count that one as lost. So imagine looking at this, look at this. Imagine you enter here and your stop loss is here. Understand? Look at this, compare it with the profit we make here, from here down to this place. That is like crazy. That is like I don't know, that is more than one that this one should be up to 1 to 10 ratios. Are you getting it now? I think so. 1 to 8 ish ratio or 7 ratio, more than something like that. So that is crazy. That's crazy profit. Understand? So if happen to be that I put enough capital like 1,000, 2,000, 10,000, my brother will just go to the market and buy jeep. I get it now. So guys, if you have enough there, I get it in, come up, trade using this strategy, understand, and that's just it. And if you want us to what, to grow the accounts for you, I get it. Please, I won't grow accounts with $100, $500. No, I don't need that. Understand? If you have enough, starting from $1,000 and upward, understand. So but it's going to be a percentage sharing, understand. But please be careful out there for those that want to be impersonating tick traders. Please be careful. If anyone asks you to send them money, it is not me. Please be careful, or that this is the tick trader channel. This is the original tick trader channel. So thank you very much. If you have any question, let me know. I believe you guys will understand this. So for the purpose of those that are that are joining us for the first time, understand, I'm going to show you the settings now, but don't stop at that. Check the previous video. You're going to get a lot. You will understand how we start, how I started with this strategy, and the upgrade, the one we are using before, and the upgrade, and the concept, the psychology behind this, and some things that I've detected that I've explained for you guys. You see this one down, picking levels with just crossovers. Are you getting it now? Is part of the what we detected, and using H1 H1 to pick our levels. Are you getting it now? Is also some something that I detected, because I believe that if we can pick levels from the higher time frame crossover, understand, it will surely, I mean, work better for us on the lower time frame. And although if you pick it on lower time frame also, 1 minute, 5 minutes is okay, but the higher the time frame, the stronger that level becomes. Are you getting it now? And when market get to that level, it will surely react. And I told you that let's go to 5 minutes. Let's go to 5 minutes. And I told you that when the market get to, now let's say the price is here. Okay, look at it. Let me there's a level here. Now let me put it here. Now this one, look at this one, look at this one. There's a crossover here, so that's the level we pick it. Now this is, let's assume this is the current crossover, and the market was coming down. Are you getting now? You see that immediately it get to this immediately the market, well, immediately the price get to this level. Are you getting that? It react. Can you see it react, consolidate, and go up a little bit? Understand? So that is that you can make use of the opportunity. If you are using step index, when you see something like this, you know what I'm talking better. So just check the previous video, you see it. Understand? So that is that. And if the market break below it, it's a sign of continuation. As we are seeing it now, you see the price is going to go up back to that level. And when it get to that level, what I'm going to do, I'm going to sell again. Are you getting it now? I'm going to sell. So that is that. So but today, thank you very much. So if you have any questions, let me know. Please subscribe to my channel, and that's the only thing you can do for me to encourage me. So I'm going to try boom 500 and record from boom 500, but I believe this strategy is very good. Class 500, you can make the market, on class 500, step index, volatility 100. But better still, step index and class 500, because I've tested that on those one, and I've tested it on volatility 100. Are you getting it now? But don't forget your uh money management and risk reward. So make sure you manage your money. You can't have $5 and put 0.5 lot size. No, 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 no. You just have to know how to manage your money. Are you getting that? So thank you very much. So I will show you the settings now. So let's go. Let's go. We have on the main chart, we have the moving average. Just pause the video and write it down. Period 10, shift 0, method linear weight, apply to weighted close and use yellow. Now the next one that follow is immediately put Bollinger Band. Bollinger Band period is 5, deviation is 0.05, shift is 0. This one apply to previous indicator data, that is the moving average. Then you pick 3 pixel black. Don't forget, apply to previous indicator, very important for the PB. Then this one, the third moving average, is just the moving average 200. Moving average 200. This one is to detect trend. 200, shift is 0, simple, apply to close, can pick red. That is that. Then we create a indicator window 1. This one, ADX, average directional moving in, although we are not using it, but it's much more important to show you if the market is trending or not. So you use 14. Style is a 3 pixel black. We don't need plus D1 and minus D1, so just remove them and put the color to match your background. So then the level is, we are using our level, we only need level 25 Understand? Level 25. So when the ADS is above level 25, that is means it's trending. If it is below, is not trending. So that is that. Now, indicator window two, very important. Put MACD 12, fast EMA 12, slow EMA 26, MACD SMAs 9, apply to close, main 4 pixel gray signal, 4 pixel red. Now you now put moving average on that indicator window 2. Now this moving average, put period 1, shift is 0. Method is simple. Now this one apply to previous indicator. So you apply to previous indicator, which is the MACD. The color is 3 pixel, blue 3 pixel. So that is that. Then you now create another indicator window 2. Understand? So this one you add stochastic. K period is 3, D period is K period is 5, D period is 3, slow win is 3, price feed is low stroke high. Method is simple. Now we don't need the main and the signal line, so color we don't need them. So just put one pixel, then use the color of your background. Now the level is this. You put 90, 80, 20, and 10. Just write it down. You can pause the video and write it down. That's the level. That's the level. So now after you've added the stochastic oscillator, so on that the same window, you add what Ichimoku Kinko Yo. So the Parkinson is 1, Kejusing is 1, second span B is 10, then fill it. Then we don't need the style, we don't need Parkinson. Put one pixel and remove the color, use the background of the color. The same thing with Kejusing, use the background of color, we don't need it. We need only upper Kumo and down Kumo. The Chico span, we don't need it. Use the background of your color and use 1 pixel to remove it. Now the upper Kumo, use 4 pixel green. Then the down Kumo 4 pixel, you can use red. So me, I use a kind of uh, dark purple, dark pink, or you can call it purple. Are you getting it now? So sometimes red can affect your psychology. So you can use a color like this. Understand? A cool color. So that is that is just the setting, guys. That is just the settings. So thank you very much. Please subscribe to my channel, and once this my channel reach 1,000, I'm going to give all my subscribers some of the premium indicators and boots that I have, and some free offers which I know is going to help you to grow some money. So thank you very much. Bye. And someone asked me a question, that can he use this strategy on normal forex instead of synthetic? Yes, you can use it. You can use it any market, even on crypto. You can use it once it has a candlestick style like this. So you can use it. So thank you very much. Bye.